Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about string methods in Python. First method we are going to discuss about partition. So what is partition method? So partition method which is used to split a given input. So how we are going to split a given input means if you want to partition the given input based on particular given word. Okay. So in partition itself, we have some more type that is called a rpartition. So R is nothing but that is a right partition. So we can see with an example. So we will take a given example as txt Happy New Year to all. So this is our given input. So in this print txt partition. So based on which input I want to partition. So I want to partition by year. So if I give like that, so happy new is a single word, year is my partition word, and to all is my another. So based on this year word, it will be partition. Similarly, we can go with the or partition. So or partition is nothing but right partition. So if you want to try for some other word, I can go for new. So new is our partition word. So happy is a separate word. So year to all is another word. So this is a way we have to partition our given string input. Next, we are going to see what is title function. So already we know that what is title function. So in this, we are going to discuss about what is title function. So title function is used to check whether our given string input is each and every word is begin with the uppercase letter or not. So if it's so, it will give a boolean value as true. Otherwise, it becomes false. That is title function. We'll see with an example. Let's consider as PLS Pongal holidays too. Or so print PL dot is title. So in this case, if I try to execute this one, I am getting a result as false because here none of my character is uppercase. Now I change to uppercase here as well for this one and this. Now also it becomes false because this H happy and A both letter is in lowercase. All of the word of first letter should be in uppercase, then only it becomes true. So again I changed to uppercase for H and E. Now it becomes true. So this is the is title function. So each and every word of the first character should be in uppercase. Then only it will return result as true. That is the is title function. We are going to see what is split line function. So split line function is used to split up the line within the given string input itself. So I want to give a particular string input, but I don't want to go for a new line. But I want to split within the string input itself. So in this case, we can go with the split lines. Let's see. So let's take this example itself. So happy Pongal, I have to use my new line character. So normally what will happen if we use the new line character? So it will go for a next line, right? So if I use this split line, PL dot split lines, it won't go for a new line. Within this string input itself, it will separate each and every word. So this is the beauty of this split lines function. Okay, I hope you people understand, right? So this is split line function. Thank you guys. We'll see you in next video.